Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use your ADT panel. So this is the basics on how to use it. So right now, as you guys can see, it is turned off. Of course, when you guys get it installed, it'll be on, but I just want to go ahead and turn it off. This one does not work. We are no longer paying for service. I mean, it works. I can use it for to try things that we couldn't do when it was working, like sound the alarm when it was working, I mean. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in, and so you guys can see. I'm going to show you the basics on how to set the time and everything. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in down here. Okay, well, here I'm going to cut this part out. It is turning on. It takes a while. As you can see, it's going. It's trying to get itself start up again. See if I can fix the camera. And you guys can see that good, actually. So as you can see right now, it says D1 standby, if you can see the screen right there. So let's let that start up real quick, and then I'll show you how to set the time and everything. So I'll be right back. Okay, as you guys can see, it is now turned on. So as you can see, the time says that it is 12:01 a.m., which is wrong. So let's go ahead and set the time. You guys will put your code in. So let's say 1234, and then click function 63. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my code, function 63.
Enter 2-digit hour. Press add to accept. Escape to quit.
So right now is, I can't show you guys the time. It is 3:52. So 03, add, which is the away.
Enter 1 for PM, 0 for AM. Press add to accept. Escape to quit.
So I'll do PM, away, again for add.
Enter 2-digit minute. Press add to accept. Escape to quit.
It's 52, 352. Away again, which is add. Oh, 53, just switched.
Enter 2-digit month. Press add to accept. Escape to quit.
Here you don't really have to add the month, but I'll go ahead and add it.
Enter 2-digit day. Press add to accept. Escape to quit.
Today is the 17th.
Enter 2-digit year. Press add to accept. Escape to quit.
2022, and then add. As you can see now, it says 3:53, which is now on. So as you can see, it's starting to beep low battery. This system no longer has a battery in it. It had a battery and it never holds a charge anymore. So I took it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter my code again, and then off to clear the beeping.
Disarmed. Check. System. Ready to arm.
So yes, your system will not say check system unless something's wrong with it. But as in this case, since mine does not have a battery, that's why it says check system. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the basics. So I'm going to open the door, and I want you to notice something. So let me get ready and get the camera at an angle so you can see when the door opens. So let's get that. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the door, and you're gonna hear that the system does not beep. So let's go ahead and open the door. So it's open and it did not beep. So let's take a look at the panel. As you can see now, it says not ready, but it did not announce. So I'm gonna show you how to turn it on. So let's go ahead and close our door again. Hi, if you can see me. Let's go ahead and close the door. And let's go back to the panel. Okay, as you can see, it says disarmed ready, so that means it's ready to arm. When it says not ready, that means it's not ready. You should check your doors. So if you wanted to announce when a door is open, you're going to click on function, and if you can look under the number 9 on your system, it says chime. That means it's going to announce every door that you open. So let's go ahead and push function 9. So that beep, as you can see, it says chime on. So now let's go back to our door, and let's go ahead and open the door. So depending what door you have set up, of course, it would announce, let's say, garage door, family room door, master bedroom door. So it would announce whatever you have. So you can see mine is open. So let's go ahead and look at the system now that it's opened. As you can see, it says the same thing, disarm not ready. So the door's open. So let's go ahead and close the door again. Actually, let's leave it a little open. Let me put something just so it knows that it's open, because my door does not like to stay a little what do you call it? Open, it goes all the way.
Bedroom door.
So, okay, so now let me go back to the panel. Okay, now let's say you are trying to leave and it's not working. As you can see, the ready light has to be solid white for the system to arm. If it's flashing like this, of course my door is open right now, it means that means one of your doors is currently open. So let's say if you hold down the away button, you could push your code. So as you can see, I'll put the code and then away.
Disarmed. Not ready to arm.
It's telling you it's not ready. If you live in a big house and you actually don't know which sensor it is, click on the star button.
Disarmed. Not ready to arm.
You can see it says press star to see your open doors. You click it again.
Fault. Bedroom. Door. System. Low battery. Chime.
So of course, it'll announce which door is open. So let's get back to the door. And let's go ahead and close it. There we go. So let's go back to the system. Okay, I'm going to go over the modes it has. So, away means it monitors your motion sensors too. So, all the door sensors that you have registered to be monitored. Oh, let me fix the camera, it's crooked. Oh, okay, I hope this is better. So, away means it's going to monitor your sensors, all of them, the motion sensors, except, well, of course, it'll monitor them, but the doors that you have as a door, oh.
Disarmed. Check. System. Ready to arm.
Oh, sorry, that was the beeping. Since we're not paying for service anymore, it's just letting us know that it's not being monitored. So, like I was saying, when it is, away. Except, of course, it'll still monitor them, but let's say like this one right here, my door that is right here. Once it's opened, when it's armed, it'll give you a countdown to disarm it. Let's say if you have your family room door, your sliding door, that's not going to give you a countdown, it'll automatically arm. You have to check with ADT to make sure that they set that up correctly. So, now let's say we're going to arm our system. Stay means it just monitors your sensors, but not your motion sensors. You can walk around your home. And off, as you can see, doesn't monitor anything. So I'm going to go ahead and arm it away. Oops.
Armed. Away. Exit now.
So it'll give you a countdown. We'll let that countdown go down. So this countdown means you have time to exit your home. And you could only exit the doors that you have access to. That'll give you the countdown when you come back. Okay, so that countdown means you only have 10 seconds.
Armed. Away. Check. System.
So let's go ahead and go back to our door and open it up. Okay, let's go ahead and open our door and let's see what the system does.
Disarm system now.
So let's go to the keypad. So let's go ahead and disarm it before it sounds.
Disarmed. Not ready to arm.
Okay, now let me get the camera at a better angle. Okay, of course, if you would have let that countdown continue, the alarm would have sounded. So let me go ahead and close my door. Okay, now it's closed. So, now let's say you want to bypass a zone and you don't want it to monitor that. So you're going to enter your code, the one you used to disarm. So go ahead and enter that. And click 6 and then your zone number. So right now that I was looking while I was editing, I know to bypass a zone, you'll enter your code you used to disarm, then push the number 6, and then enter your zone number, which I'll show you later on in the video. But since I cut that part out, you might have not seen when I entered the code, and 6, I don't know if you did, but here is the video. As I say, it's going to say bypass, and it'll tell you the zone. If you do not know the zone number, so let's go ahead and cut that out again.
Disarmed. Check. System. Ready to arm.
Okay, got rid of our bypassed. If you do not know what zone number your door is right now, so let's go ahead and open the door.
Bedroom.
you need to know the code that appears in the left corner when you open your door.
Disarmed. Not ready to arm. Fault. Bedroom.
So
door.
this door. No, I mean this
Low
number.
battery. Chime. Check. System.
That number. So let's go ahead. As you can see, it's flashing that it's not ready. So we're gonna go ahead and enter our code 603, depending what number your zone is. And it'll tell you that you bypassed it. And currently our door is open. You saw it was open, and we can arm it.
Armed. Stay. Exit now.
So as you can see, the door is still open and it armed. So that means it will do nothing to that zone. Let's say you open that door and you're not supposed to, but you bypassed it, it won't alarm because you bypassed that zone. So I'm gonna go ahead and disarm it again.
Disarmed. Not ready to arm.
Okay, you might think that this volume is a bit too high. So now let's lower the volume. You'll click on function, 2, and 6 to go down. So function 2, 6. Now the beeping got low, but the voice is still high. So you have to do function 2, 6 twice. So enter your code and then off.
Disarmed. Not ready to arm.
So you can see it got quieter, but if you want it louder than it is right now, so you click function 2, 3, function 2, 3, and one more you can still do. So now this is the highest. So if you have headphones, this is a warning.
Disarmed. Not ready to arm.
Okay, that's a bit too high. I'm gonna put this to the lowest. So now let's say you have a family that you leave. I'm gonna close my door actually before I continue. So now let's say you have a family. Let's say someone is working in your family and you don't get to see them when they get out. And you went to work at night. So you can leave your family a message to the system. So you click function 1 to record your message. So let's say function 1. Hey, I'm going to get out late from work today. Just make sure the kids eat, okay? So then you push off. As you can see, it says message. So let someone know when they disarm the system there's a message. And it will also announce it. So let's say let's arm it stay.
Armed. Stay. Exit now.
So you can see it's armed stay. So now let's say we go ahead and disarm it. Off.
Disarmed. Check. System. Ready to arm. Message.
So you can see it's letting you know there's a message. So to play it, you click function 3 and it says play.
Hey, I'm going to get out late from work today. Just make sure the kids eat, okay? So then you push.
So there you go. That's how you record a message. So that's pretty much it on how to use your ADT panel. I don't want to alarm the system, or let's say make the system alarm, because I know some of you might be using headphones. I might do that later on. We'll be posting a later on video on how to change the name on your sensor. So let's say you moved houses and now it's not garage door, or you don't have a family room door anymore. I'll show you that in my next video. So stay tuned for that. Make sure to turn on the bell to get notified when I post that video. And I hope this video was helpful. So that's pretty much it. Of course, these are the basics too on how to use your panel. This is how you use it. And of course, these two buttons, if you hold it, call the police if you have service. So for this one, I can push it, but not now because I know some of you have headphones. And this one is for fire. So you push these two, and do not play with these buttons, because if you are being monitored by ADT, they will automatically send the police or the fire department. So do not play with those buttons. And yeah, well, I mean, for this one, you can push it since we're not paying anymore. It doesn't do nothing. It just sounds, but it won't do nothing. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys found it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Again, stay tuned for that video. Like I said, that the alarm sound, how to change the name on your sensor. And yeah, please make sure to give it a like if you found this video helpful. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Goodbye. So sorry I know I said this video was over, but if your sensor is low on battery, your system might start to beep, and it'll go like deep, like the normal beep sounds, which can get annoying. So you have to make sure you check your system screen and see what it says. It might be a sensor that's low battery, a motion sensor. Of course, it'll let you know which sensor is low battery. So that's pretty much it again. Sorry, but I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.